Good morning, I'm Corey Pritchard with HP Custom Manufacturing. We're located here in northern Arizona. Our retail facility is in Prescott under the Hay Plus Farms logo. What we're here with today is our Freedom Campers. So these are built back east in Pennsylvania. We've been a distributor for them for over a year now. These campers come in 3 different models. They weigh 190 pounds. 2 guys can pick them up, put them in a truck, take them out of a truck on a flatbed trailer, really easy. Great R value, 2-inch foam insulation on the sides, R12, 2.5-inch foam insulation tops and the bottoms for R15. We've been a distributor for this company for quite a while and had extreme success with them. So stemming from that, we sell these. We're the only distributor on the West Coast right now that sells these campers. And then we started in our metal fabrication shop building the trailers to go along with them. So this is our HP Overlander version. This is the toughest trailer that we could come up with. It's got the Timbren axleless suspension on it, a 2-inch by 5-inch 3/16 fully boxed frame, all internal wiring. We build all our own fenders in-house. They're strong enough you can stand on them. We put the campers right on them. We can set them up with really limitless options to go with it. So on this one we have set up, it's got the 70-quart Goal Zero fridge freezer combo on the front, Pelican case for other food. They all come standard with a spare tire. We've got the Camrock awning system that goes on it. This is very easy to put in and out. It's quick. All the solar on this one is a Goal Zero system. So we've got the camp light wires in. We've got the solar generator in the front. We've got 400 watts of solar charging mounted on the trailer, another 400 on the ground. Water canisters, table slides right in on the front here. Electric cooking utensils, so everything runs on the solar. Back here, it's designed, we can fit 3 of the Pelican cases across the back. 1 strap ties it all down. We've got a bike rack put in for it here. You've got 20 inches of clearance all the way through the bottom of this trailer. It's meant to be dragged down the rocks. Inside, this one has an 8,000 watt Goal Zero solar generator built into it. Electric heater, ports for the air conditioning in the side here, or for a diesel heater. The roof rack that we have on this one has the slidable solar panels underneath. So this will slide right back under the roof rack. You can slide it right back out. That way you don't have to unload the roof rack to be able to access your solar power. This option has the ports added for the air conditioning. We're using a Zero Breeze right here. It runs on the solar. It'll make it ice cold inside. You can also hook your diesel heaters up to the same ports. More liquid canister holders here. Here's our exterior port. So this is how we plug in another 400 watts of solar. This is an exterior port for power from the solar generator. So you can plug in the air conditioner, anything you want on it. We've got 200 watts of solar mounted on the front. Everything on this trailer is pretty much meant to be indestructible. We also make this exact same trailer in what we call a Sportsman model. So it's a little lighter frame, straight axle suspension, a little bit more. This is for the guys who are kind of dragging it through the rocks and the trails. Our Sportsman's model is a little more for just the weekend camper, guys going out in the woods, things like that. We have customization we can do for any of the storage around it, or anything you can think of like that to fit your needs. If you've got awnings you like, ones you don't like, things you want to do yourself, we can set it up for you. If you want to get more information about these trailers or where you can buy the Freedom Campers from us, the trailers are built under HP Custom Manufacturing. We do have a website, www.hpcustommanufacturing.com. The retailer that carries all this is Hay Plus Farms in Prescott, Arizona. www.hay+, farms, FARMSAZ is in Arizona.com. You can call me directly. My name's Corey Pritchard. My phone number is 928-925-0966.